If you're looking for a quick and easy weeknight meal that's just delicious and filling, then this pasta recipe is just what you need. The first thing I'm going to do is saute my sausage meat. Now I'm using beef sausages, but you can completely use a sausage of your choice. Once I've broken up the sausage, I'm going to go ahead and add onions, spring onions, and about 2 cloves of garlic that I finely chopped. Now you can add any form of chili that you want if you want a little bit more spice in this. I think I did add some chilies at the end, but if you wanted to, like using fresh peppers, you wanted to add it in at this time, you can go ahead, saute that for a few minutes, and I'm going to go in with my mince. I'm using 12% beef mince. As with the sausage, we're just going to break down the mince. Once you've broken down your mince, just start adding in your sausage meat and just incorporate everything together. Now at this time, I went ahead and seasoned my pan. I went in with some all-purpose seasoning. I'm using some dried Italian herbs. I'm just going to give this a good mix. Now I'm going to go in with some mixed peppers. I do like using the frozen ones because I just find it easier, especially when you want to just get in and out the kitchen. Just want to cover this now and just let this simmer for about 5 to 6 minutes. Then we're going to add our sauce. Do taste your pot as you go along just to make sure that it tastes right. Now I'm using the onion and herb pasta sauce. Now once I emptied the jar of sauce, I did go in and fill the jar about halfway with some water and also added this to the pan. Now I wanted a little bit of spice in this, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some dried chilies. But as I said previously, if you have fresh chilies or scotch bonnet or anything, you can add it, but this is totally optional. If you don't want the heat, then you leave it out. There's me just tasting my pot, making sure that it's not too salty or it's under salted, and try and adjust accordingly. I'm gonna cover this and let this simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add about 1/4 cup of double cream. Once I've given this a mix, I'm just gonna go ahead now and cover and let it simmer for a further 5 or so minutes. I did also go in and added some chopped basil. Once this is ready, you want to go ahead and just add it to your cooked pasta, or if you want it all mixed up. I wanted mine mixed up, so I just added everything together and just plated it up nicely. And to finish off, I added some freshly grated Parmesan cheese. And there you have it, guys, my delicious, quick and easy weeknight meal pasta dish ready for your plate. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. For my returning subscribers, go and big up on yourself all the time. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also leave me a comment, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.